Crafting an effective strategy for your website and digital marketing requires careful planning. Thankfully, the Blue Compass Digital Discovery eliminates the confusion, provides a data-driven roadmap, and gives you a clear direction forward. The Digital Discovery is a series of powerful audits. Our digital experts strategically peel back your business's web presence layer by layer to uncover what's working and what needs improvement. These audits have helped organizations from nearly every industry, from Fortune 500 companies to small businesses. We start with the SEO audit, which sets the foundation for successful organic search results. Using our custom automated grading scale for SEO health, we show you the condition of your site based on the number of errors per page. Then we move on to our analytics audit. Our insights explore missed opportunities and allow you to expand your brand into new markets and collect and interpret data for future growth. Finally, the competitor audit examines the websites and digital marketing tactics of your main competitors, showcasing opportunities to claim top search positions and build an online presence that outshines your rivals. Outside of these 3 core audits, we offer 2 additional audits. The Google Ads audit uncovers settings, campaigns, keywords, and ad copy improvements to increase conversions on your ads while lowering cost per click. And the social media audit pinpoints how to position your content on your target audience's social media feeds and better amplify your reach. By partnering with Blue Compass for a digital discovery, you gain a team of dedicated experts who devote exclusive time to your brand. You'll get face-to-face meetings to discuss audit results, gain a roadmap for the next steps, and receive clear direction and peace of mind for all your marketing efforts. Interested in diving into our digital marketing discovery? Contact us today for more details.